Assalamu alaikum class pre-9 and welcome. Today we are going to start lecture number 10 of chapter number 1, that is introduction to biology. We were discussing about different levels of organization. Today we will discuss about level number 5, that is organ and organ system level. Firstly, we will see the definition of organ or what is the meaning of organ. In higher multicellular organisms, more than one type of tissues having same or related functions are organized or grouped together and make a unit called organ. When in higher multicellular organisms, tissues of performing same functions grouped together, they will form a unit called organ, and tissues in that organ will perform their specific function. इस organ में मौजूद तमाम tissues जो वो अपना अपना function perform करेंगे. Here we have example of stomach. Stomach contains two types of tissues, epithelial tissues and muscular tissues. Epithelial tissues are also known as glandular tissues. Epithelial tissue is responsible for the secretion of gastric juice, so these will only secrete the gastric juice, and this gastric juice help in the digestion of proteins in stomach. And muscular tissue is responsible for the contraction of muscular walls, stomach walls for the grinding of food and also moving the food to the posterior end. So these muscular tissues only do the performance of contraction of stomach walls. So these two tissues will perform their specific or respective function. Epithelial secrete only gastric juice. Muscular tissues only do the contraction of stomach walls. So two tissues perform their specific functions which collectively become the फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टमक. इस तरह से ये जो दोनों टिश्यूज़ जो हैं स्टमक के जो भी फंक्शन परफॉर्म करेंगे ये कलेक्टिवली और फंक्शन बन जाएगा स्टमक का. सो नेक्स्ट वी विल सी ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल. व्हेन डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स परफॉर्मिंग रिलेटेड फंक्शंस आर ग्रुप्ड और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ सिस्टम कॉल्ड ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल. जब एक ही इस तरह के फंक्शन परफॉर्म करने वाले ऑर्गन्स को कलेक्ट किया जाएगा, एक जगह पे इकट्ठा कर दिया जाएगा, then they will form organ system level. Here we have example of digestive system. Digestive system contain only that organs which are performing or responsible for the process of digestion. Digestive system contains many organs like oral cavity, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver and pancreas. All these organs are responsible or help in process of digestion. So the function of these organs become the function of the digestive system. So dear students, today we learn about organ and organ system level. Organ contains different tissues which become the part of that organ. When different organs performing the same function are grouped together, they form a organ system level. So you learn about organ and organ system level, that is 5 of your book page number 9. Till then, next lecture. Allah Hafiz.